So we're doing the beard now. So what product is he using on him, hon?
He is utilizing 5M in the Demi series along with the Demi Plus developer. So that's an equivalent of 10 volume, and amazingly enough, 10 volume matches and blends with his dark right here, and it'll blend the grays away. The reason why we like this all nutrient brush is it's double layered and it's brick layered as well. So he can use the brush to pack it in, but also comb it through for the beard.
Okay.
So very nice tool.
And it holds the color really well on that brush, huh?
Yes.
So you don't have to add any more.
No. But he will. He'll get some more here and there just to make sure.
On that lighter portion, huh?
T-Rod just came back to this class as a refresher, so we're trying to make him educate on this part. I mean, he's a master now.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Come on now, master. And leave some space for C to work with that brush. Leave some space for Big C to work with that brush too. He said he's.
Okay, I'm over here in the zone. I got you, Big C.
He's like, look, I want some of that.
I got you right now, Big C.
See how that brush works?
They tend to want it so neat around the skin.
But on the skin, you pack on the skin part.
Tell him.
Oh, okay. Excuse me.
Oh, you're all right. Educated. I'm trying to get it on film.
When you get to the line, when you get close to the skin, pack on when you're close to the skin. Pack.
Oh, pack.
Yeah. A little slower. Just kind of pack. There you go.
You got them both on timer, right?
Yeah. Brushing stroke. Slow. So that color can get in there. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. When you get to that beard line, just pack. Make a definitive, you know what I mean? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, kind of brush through. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Mm-hmm.
Oh, very nice.
Good stroke, brother. Yeah. There you go.
And you can let it cool. Okay. You can let him sink it for 15, so we'll be doing it at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
How's that feeling now, C?
It's a little bit more comfortable.
Cause you're on the man.
Yeah.
Cause you're on the man.
Press. There you go. Press on the pad. There you go.
Are you more comfortable because it's a male model?
No, I'm just,
I'm
you
messing
know.
with you.
Don't be afraid to use the corner of the brushes to get those little hairs right there too.
You can see that coverage now. You gotta get in there. And that's how thick it is to use that, push that brush, huh?
Yes, all of them. We're gonna explain that. Yep. I use the backside to use this will hold your hand when you fall asleep.
Kind of go with that mustache too.
Hey, Amy, it's okay. It's all right.
It's okay. Sexy. You'll actually see it when I'm styling her hair and she starts going like this. And she's pulling.
Okay, you need to clean up that little area, see?
When she straightens
him.
it with words.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And let's get styling products for her.
Are these the used ones or?
Yeah, most of those are used. I'm going to list this time. That way we know what we have.
So let's go ahead and use daily pH, daily effects,
And what we do is barber
clean this stuff.
to clean that area up. We would take a razor.
Mm-hmm. So, you know, the barbers always talk about taking that razor to clean up that area, hon.
Yes. I would recommend using a razor, just like with anything, after. Now, have him look up. Look for any areas that you potentially missed, and you can get that with the corner of the brush. There you go.
Oh, kind of like using the corner of the clipper.
Mm-hmm. Corner techniques.
Corner techniques.
And see, I like how he's on the end of that, the end of the mustache. He's going the opposite direction, lifting in and make sure, just
We don't have any
going
right
against the grain.
now, other than what we have in G's
Mhm.
with the salon.
Oh, yeah, to kind of get up underneath there.
Under the
Even in that mustache, like right under his nostrils.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
refill it.
It's because of the packing, like Han said. It's not messy.
It's under the,
Oh, it's right
You ain't making a mess of nothing. It's right there.
Yeah, that's the part he's trying to get, because I could see the whiteness there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Got to pack it in a little more. Huh? There it is.
Kind of go through it.
That area is like really resistant, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Alyssa? They do all right? Mm-hmm.
Relieve your other hand.
Yeah, because I don't want the zoom.
I know, right?
And I couldn't.
Look good, boy. Looking good. Come on. Come on, no hands. That's that barber touch. That shit. Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
He said the barber touch.
That's that barber touch. Cleaning up after yourself.
Hey, hon. Did I take you
Yeah.
to your grandma?
Yes. You did it, Tony.
Color on the other side, I would say.
Very nice.
With that towel you got?
Very nice. Very nice. And notice, if it starts drying, we can come back and do a reapplication.
Gotcha.
We want to keep the color wet during the whole time.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Oh, you can tell it's drying? Or you
If
just,
it does, sometimes when
Oh.
you sit in a salon and they're sitting under a
got
vent
it.
or they're sitting under an area where there's just more air blowing,
Mm-hmm.
you always want to keep the color nice and moist. Okay.
Mhm.
Once you guys are ready for that, let's return to your seats and we're gonna play with the color wheel.
Okay.
The color wheel, yeah.
The color wheel.
all right, we'll come back with the finished look on this model in a minute. Great job, fellas.
Bye-bye.